Hello and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you purchase the new heated massage gun by Wahl. Let's open up and take a look. So, we're going to lift the lid off. What you're going to see first is your instruction booklet and also your warranty guide. So take a look at this, read through it and hold on to it. You're also going to get this nice storage pouch. So this is going to easily hold your massager and your attachment. So if you're on the go, you put everything in here with you. Now, what are you going to get when you open it up? Here is your heated massager gun. You're going to get the charging for it. And then you're going to get the different attachments. So you have your wedge attachment, you have the round head attachment, you have the flat head attachment, you have the bullet attachment for deep tissue, and then you also have the fork attachment. So this is everything you're going to get, and this will give you all the tools you need to kind of work on any ailments you may have. Now, if you want to learn about how these are going to help you more, check out the next video.